Good morning, students. Yesterday, I have taught about noun and its four types. My today's topic is pronoun. Why I am taking this topic? Because it is quite a relationship between noun and pronoun, and it is very easy to understand when we correlate two units. Today, I am going to teach you all about pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. The meaning doesn't change. It is only a substitute. So, pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. I will give you an example in a sentence. When and how to use the pronoun. There are many kinds of pronouns. But first of all, we all learn the concept of pronoun. Rama made a kite. So, kite and Rama are nouns. When you are introducing something in the first sentence, you have to mention the noun. Then, in the next sentence that are following, while writing answers in a paragraph, you need not repeat the same noun again and again. It doesn't sound good and it is not proper in English grammar. But first, when you are introducing to someone, you have to use a noun. In the upcoming sentences, you need not use the noun which is in the first sentence. Instead of that noun, we can use pronouns. For example, Rama made a kite and he flew it in the sky. Here, in the first sentence, we have used Rama, but in the second sentence, instead of using Rama again, we use he. There are several different types of pronouns. It includes personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun substitutes a specific person or object. While substituting the subject, we use I, you, they, he, she, it, we. For example, they went to school. Here, they is the subjective pronoun. When substituting the object, we use me, him, he, you, it, us. For example, that is her car. Here, the word that is the objective pronoun. Possessive pronoun. This type of pronoun shows ownership of a noun. This include my, your, our, his, her, its, their. For example, that is my cat. Here, my is a possessive pronoun. Is that your house? Here, your is a possessive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. These pronouns are used when the subject and object of the sentence are the same. These pronouns refer back to the subject of sentence. This include myself, yourself, ourself, himself, herself, itself, yourselves, and themselves. For example, I want to buy myself a new car. Here, myself is a reflexive pronoun. In the second example, he poured himself a drink. Here, himself is a reflexive pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns are used when two or more people are doing the same thing. This include each other, one another. For example, the kids kicked the ball to one another. Here, one another is a reciprocal pronoun. In the second example, Fatima and Anna are talking to each other. Here, each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. This include who, whom, whose, where, when, why, what. For example, I don't know which hat to buy. Here, which is a relative pronoun. In the second example, I didn't hear what you said. Here, what is a relative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. This type of pronoun is used to point to the specific noun being mentioned. They can be singular or plural. For example, this, these, those, that. Those shoes look great. Here, those is a demonstrative pronoun. In the second example, these apples are red. These is a demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. This type of pronoun take the place of a noun in a question. This include who, whom, which, what, whose. For example, what time will you arrive? In this sentence, what is a interrogative pronoun. In the second example, who is she talking to? Here, who is a interrogative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. These type of pronouns used to show unspecified people or objects. They can be singular or plural. This include everyone, somebody, all, nobody, anything, few, many, something, anybody. For example, everyone had arrived. Here, the word everyone is a indefinite pronoun. In the second example, anybody can come to the event. Here, anybody is the indefinite pronoun. Thank you, students.